Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're gonna go through how to create a Bitfinex CSV with the entire transaction history. We are in our account. All you have to do is go on the top right on your user icon, go down to reports, and you will be on the new website of Bitfinex. And then if you scroll down, you will see your history. You see the ledgers, the movements, the trades. Those are the files you have to download. We do the ledger and select the time frame of the last 2 years. Hit confirm. And then on top right, you will see export. And then again, we need date, month, year, and click export. Then you will get your export to your email. And once you have downloaded that, you will have that in your download folder. If you have any open questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.